Eye care, one of the most specialized areas in the healthcare segment, was earlier mainly dominated by doctors or clinics in South India. In 1996, Dr. Mahipal Singh Sachdev wanted to change this trend, and he came up with the idea of opening a super specialty eye care center in the heart of northern India. And today his dream is known as the Center for Sight.
The concept was to provide super specialized eye care with cutting edge technology, honest ethical opinion, and give the best skill sets to the patients for this part of the country.
Although Center for Sight was born in a small room as an eye clinic in New Delhi with a humble investment of just 56,000 rupees, the blueprint of this idea was enormous. Dr. Sachdev had a very clear vision of the future, but he had to win many battles before embarking into this super specialty domain.
Actually, it all started when he got a fellowship from Georgetown University in the US. So that's the time he was exposed to various techniques that were happening in the Western world, including phacoemulsification. That's what we today talk of as stitchless cataract surgery. People in India were not so aware of it by then, and since he had been exposed to that during his fellowship and he believed in the procedure, he continued to do that. You know, people in India were not convinced about it yet. You know, and the machines weren't so good, so there was a learning period involved. So while others were still thinking about it, he was working on it.
Today, Center for Sight is the third largest institution in the eye care segment in India. Its iconic success reflects the dynamic progress in the field of ophthalmology. With 22 super specialty centers in northern India alone and a band of 75 expert ophthalmologists, Center for Sight is poised as a pioneer in implementing cutting-edge technologies that till now were unknown to the Indian eye care specialists.
I think Center for Sight is associated with a very high degree of skill set, and we have been pioneers in cutting edge technology. For example, the blade-free LASIK was introduced in the entire Southeast Asia by Center for Sight. When we came on to customized LASIK or procedures like epi-LASIK, there also we were the first to bring it to this region.
The confidence of eye patients in the new technologies that Center for Sight provides has propelled the growth of the company to newer heights. With a projected turnover of 100 crore rupees, the Center for Sight is adding one new center to its kitty every month.
So we have got a strong team of more than 65 ophthalmologists serving with us, and most of the doctors are full-time. So patient can come anytime, doctor would be available, and the timings are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Secondly, total manpower we have is more than 450 employees, which includes management and doctors' employees and day-to-day functioning operational employees are there.
It is very good, neat and clean, having very good persons, very good doctors. Those are working under Dr. Mahipal Singh. I think it is he only who also behaves with the doctor and with the patient like a family member.
It was the sheer hard work and passion of Dr. Sachdev that has today revolutionized the entire eye care segment in India. He is a pioneer in the field of laser and modern cataract surgery in the country. Not just that, he has also authored the very first book on this subject, which in medical circles is referred to as the Bible for budding Indian ophthalmologists. And for all his contribution to the field of eye care, Dr. Sachdev has been felicitated with the honor of a Padma Shri from the Indian government.
His vision was to have a world-class eye care in India, and obviously backed up with state-of-art technology. So if you have the man and the machine, everything going right, and yes, everybody is very passionate and ethical about it. So we believe in total ethical practice. And probably that's been our USP, and then yes, of course, luck has been on our side, and we've done good.
Center for Sight has become an epitome of a belief that stands for services to humankind. Its ethical practices and compassion with the patients has today become its USP. And the organization's sole working philosophy is, every eye deserves the best because the best things in life are priceless.